Hi children, this is Deepika Bhaskar from GK Jain School. Today I am going to take class for 2nd standard, subject EVS, and the lesson name is Wonders of Nature. In this session, today we are going to learn about plants. There are many kinds of plants. Now let us see in detail. Lily, then groundnut, Kurunji, touch me not plant, Calotropis. Today we see in detail, children. Nature is full of wonders. Now we are going to see about lily. Why does water not stay on the leaf of the lily? Can you tell me, children? Now I'll tell you. The leaf of a lily has a thick waxy coat on the upper surface. It has a notch also. Water does not stay on the leaf of the notch and the waxy coating. Now we are going to see the nuts under the soil. Usually nuts are seen on the stem part of the plant. In groundnut plants, the nuts are under the soil. Nuts are also called as seeds. Kurunji. The kurunji is also called in the name of Neela Kurunji. Kurunji shrub is found in the Nilgiri mountains in Tamil Nadu. The flowers of the Neela Kurunji bloom only once in 12 years, children. They are purple-blue in color. Nilgiri, the blue mountain, gets its name from these flowers. Now we are going to see a different type of plant, that is touch me not plant. Have you seen this plant, children? It is found in many places. It is a small herb only. When you touch the leaves of this plant, they close the leaves of this. So it is called the touch me not plant. These leaves open a few minutes later. A different plant, the another one is Calotropis. In Tamil we will call it as Erku. Calotropis is a shrub. It has a group of waxy flowers. Its flowers are either white or lavender in color. It is also known as the crown flower, since it looks like a crown. Now we are going to see about color and fragrance of flowers. You know, children, flowers are always beautiful and have nice fragrance. Flowers have beautiful colors and many have fragrance. Insects are friends of the flowers. They are attracted the color and smell of flowers. Flowers have nectar. Nectar means it's a sweet fluid. It is inside the flower. Insects and birds come to suck the nectar from the flowers. Many of the flowers that bloom at night are white in color and they have a wonderful fragrance. Now I am going to show you some pictures of night blooming flowers. Jasmine. You know Malligaipu, children? Yes. In Tamil we will call it as Malligai. Spanish cherry, that is Magirampu. Night flowering jasmine, Pavaramalli. Many of the flowers that bloom during the day, they have attractive colors and less fragrant. For example, butterfly pea, that is Sangupu. Jungle flame, Vechipu. Periwinkle, that is Nitya Kalyan. Thank you, children.